I'm Sarah Ceravolo and I'm the founder of Convolo Design. I'm driven by a challenge. When I decided to start my design company, there was absolutely no other way that I was going to start it but to start with 3D printing. 3D printing has seemed to turn the design process onto its head. You're using algorithms, you're scripting code, a whole nother way of designing. You're in a metaphysical world, you're not using your hands, you're not using your eyes, you're more so using your mind and imagining a final 3D product. Some of my most recent work, as part of my Komarebi exhibition, I did some vessels and some beautiful portraits traditionally within Japanese artwork. It's always been quite a high standard, high quality finish, and I was able to achieve that. But also I was able to get such an intricate detail throughout all of my work. I've experienced many types of 3D printing, fabrication and material methods. Having used the HP printer, I could see quite a difference. It allows me to explore complexity in design. It allows me to innovate, to sometimes even invent quite a different scope to traditional designs. I often sit and think of what I could do next, and it just seems as if the scope is endless.